Today's video is not about anything that I'm doing out in the field. Today is something that I'm excited about for my home. The power where I live is extremely unstable. The wind blows, we don't have power for days. We lived here for about 2 years, and within the first year of us living here, the power has gone out more that first year than probably any residence I've ever lived in. So this past winter we had a pretty good ice storm and it knocked the power out for almost an entire week. Prior to that, luckily, I had installed our wood stove, so we have a nice, comfortable heat source for when the power goes out. Where we live, we don't have county water. We actually have a cistern and a water pump, and so we need our water pump to work for, to even flush a toilet, to run our water, anything. We'd like to keep our refrigerator going, a handful of lights, and, well, Wi-Fi, because why not? During this last power outage, I hooked the generator up to one circuit that powered the refrigerator, it powered our Wi-Fi, and it powered some lights on the first floor. So we just brought our mattress in the living room and laid there and slept there with our wood stove going, the comfort of our Netflix, and of course we had microwave and refrigerator. But the install was extremely quick and, like I said, not ideal. This is Marty McFly. He's our mascot. I'm just gonna pet him. So recently I found some equipment on sale so that I can hook my generator up to the house, a lot more permanent. But I got this awesome box here that will mount to the exterior of my house. Generator plugs right into that, and then I wire this to my generator panel, not my main panel. It's an auxiliary panel. So from this receptacle box, you would have a connection going from it to this panel, which should be installed directly next to your existing panel. You move whatever circuits out of that panel that you want to be on during the power outage or when your generator's on into this panel. The way this works is you have your utility main, that's hard to say, utility main, going here. When you turn that on, it turns the generator off. So there's no way to have them both on at the same time, no clashing, no sending power back to the grid. And when your power goes out, turn your generator on, flip the generator circuit on, and it turns off the utility main automatically. And like I said, it only does a handful of circuits. You can kind of pick and choose the ones that you want to go into this panel. And again, it's based upon the size of generator that you have. But when our power goes out, in even the generator that we use, that we don't have to turn so many things on, just what we need. And really, it's not by any means considered roughing it if our internet is working, our refrigerator is working, our microwave is on. We may not be able to cook on the stove, but this is actually an upgrade compared to the few things that we were using when the power would go out. So once this is installed, we'll have a lot more that is actually functioning when we have a power outage. It's not the whole house by any means, but again, it's more than enough. So I'm going to install this here soon, and I will let you guys know about how well it operates.